Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we're gonna look on how to import any data to your ClickUp account. So the first step would be open up your ClickUp account and on the top left click on your name and click on settings. Once you click on settings, you have to click on imports and exports. Once you click on imports and exports, click on Start Import, and once you click on Start Import, you'll get this page where you can select a variety of sites from where you can take your existing data and import it to your ClickUp account. So for this video, I'll choose Excel and CSV file and click here on Import from CSV or Excel file. Once you click, you'll get this page. You'll get two options. First would be upload the data file from your computer, and the second would be you can just write the data manually and then import it directly to ClickUp. To upload data from your computer file, you just have to click on Upload Data from File, navigate which file you want to upload and select that. For example, I'll choose this. Click on Open. Once you click on Open, it will load all the sheets from that current Excel file. Export the sheet data that you want to have on your ClickUp. I'll choose the car inventory sheet because in that Excel file I have two sheets, and in the second sheet is where all my data is. So that's why I chose the second option. Click on Yes, and you can fill up all the other formalities here. And that's how you import any data to your ClickUp account. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.